Okay, guys. Miss Shorth did a really good job of explaining that to you, and I think I get it. I remember her teaching that to me a few years ago, and I had forgotten. It was really easy to relearn it, because I'd already learned it once. Synapses. Bridge. Let's see if I can explain division. And be highly proficient at explaining it. Let's see. Okay. Here's what you need to know, though, is that division is really, really hard. Just kidding. It's so easy. And it's the exact same rules as multiplication. Okay? And division and multiplication are really the same thing. 6 times 3 means 6 groups of 3, and it's 18. 18 divided by 6 is 3. 18 divided by 3 is 6. It's just inverses of each other. So I can take 18 and divide it into 6 groups, and then I'd have 3 in each group. Or I can take 18 and divide it into 3 groups, and I'd have 6 in each group. Or I could say 18 and I want 6 in each group, so how many groups will I have? I'll have 3. Whoa! It's a lot. But multiplication and division are the same thing. I'm kind of hungry. It's 6:30, and I'm kind of hungry. What should I have for dinner tonight? Maybe I should have tears of my students for dinner tonight. That would not be very filling. No one's cried yet. Okay, yet you will cry. I shall make you cry. And you'll put your little tears into my cup. Okay, so if multiplication and division have the same integer rules, what you're going to do is you're going to look at the numbers, you're going to divide them without worrying about their signs, and then you're going to take the signs into account. So if it's a positive divided by a positive, the answer is going to be positive. If it's positive divided by a negative, it's negative. Negative divided by a positive is negative, and a negative divided by a negative is a positive.
Hey, Miss Borlaug.
Yes, Miss Shorth?
Didn't they figure out that all you have to remember is if they have the same sign, the answer is going to be positive, and if they have different signs, the answer is going to be negative?
That's right! I couldn't remember if you taught them that yet or not. That's right! So, if the signs are the same, it's positive. Positive divided by a positive is a positive, a negative divided by a negative is a positive. If the signs are the same, a positive and a positive, or a negative and a negative is positive. And if the signs are different, then it's negative. Okay? So,
they learned that when they did that quadrant graph.
Oh, it's from that quadrant graph. Very nice. Hungry. Okay. Negative 18 divided by 3 equals, well, I know 18 divided by 3 equals 6. And the signs are different. One is negative and one is positive. So the answer is negative. And I didn't leave room, so I have to erase negative 6. Okay. And if I have 18 divided by 3, then I get positive 6. And you can see that my signs are the same, positive and positive, so the answer is positive. And if I have negative 18 divided by negative 3, the signs are the same, so it's going to be positive 6 again. A negative divided by a negative is a positive. And I couldn't remember why, but Miss Jorth taught you why, and now you know. That's it.
Good job, Miss Borlaug.
Thank you.
I give you a 4.
Oh, she gives me a 4. I think I might only be a 3, though. I'll try. We'll see. Okay, bye. Going to go eat.